Hello friends, welcome back to kinderkidstv, where learning is always fun. So kids, let's read 3-letter CVC word with picture. Are you ready to learn with me? So let's enjoy the learning. K, A, T, K, A, T, cat, cat. H, A, N, H, A, N, hen, hen. S, A, N, S, A, N, sun, sun. D, O, G, D, O, G, dog, dog. Now you try.
S, A, N, sun. D, O, G, dog.
Well done. P, A, D, P, A, D, fade, fade. J, A, M, J, A, M, jam, jam. L, E, D, L, E, D, lead, lead. H, O, T, H, O, T, hot, hot. Now you try.
J, A, M, jam. L, E, D, lead.
K, A, P, K, A, P, cap, cap. B, A, D, B, A, D, bed, bed. K, A, P, K, A, P, cup, cup. D, O, P, D, O, P, top, Stop. Now you try.
K A P cap. T O P top.
B A S B A S Bus. Bus. K E D K E D Kid. Kid. M O P M O P Mop. Mop. K A G K A G Cake. Cake. Now you try.
B A S bus. M O P mop.
Good job. R A T R A T rat. Rat. L E P L E P lip. Lip. P E G P E G pig. Pig. K A B K A B cub. Cub. Now you try.
R A T rat. F E G fig. Subscribe for more videos.